Have you ever stood in front of the makeup counter staring at rows and rows of foundation shades, feeling completely lost and overwhelmed? Or maybe you've settled for a shade that's just close enough, only to end up with a face that doesn't quite match the rest of your body. Well, beauties, your foundation struggles are about to be a thing of the past. Hey beauties, it's your resident Black Beauty Rep here, Idara. Welcome to Black Beauty Rep TV, the ultimate destination for beauty tips, tricks, and Black beauty inspiration. If you're not part of the BB Rep fam yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our incredible content. In this video, we are going to uncover the truth about finding your perfect foundation match no matter your skin tone or undertone. We'll cover everything from understanding your skin type and undertone to the best techniques for swatching and testing foundations. By the end of this video, you'll be a foundation matching pro, ready to slay your makeup game with a flawless, seamless complexion. Alright, let's get into it. The first step to finding your perfect foundation match is understanding your skin type and undertone. Now I know this can be a bit confusing, but stick with me, because it's a key to unlocking your perfect foundation shade. Your skin type plays a huge role in how foundation will wear and perform on your face. Are you oily, dry, or somewhere in between? Knowing this will help you choose a foundation formula that will work best for your skin. For example, if you have oily skin, you will want to look for a matte or oil controlling formula, while those with dry skin will do better with a hydrating dewy finish. This is where a lot of Black women get tripped up. Undertone is not the same as your actual skin tone. Your undertone can be warm, cool, or neutral, and is determined by the underlying pigments in your skin. The easiest way to figure out your undertone is to look at the veins on the inside of your wrist. If they appear more blue or purple, you have a cool undertone. And if they look more green, you have a warm undertone. And if they're a mix of both, you are neutral. Okay, now that you know your skin type and undertone, it's time to start swatching and testing foundations. This is the most important step, so don't skip it. When you're at the makeup counter, don't just hold the bottle up to your face and guess. Instead, swatch a few shades on your jawline or chest, and then step into a good lighting, preferably natural lighting, to see how the color looks against your complexion. This will give you a much better idea of how the foundation will actually match your skin tone. While undertone is the key to finding the right foundation shade, your actual skin tone is also important. Black women come in a wide range of beautiful shades, from the deepest ebony to the lightest caramel. Pay attention to whether the foundation leans more yellow, red, or neutral, and make sure it matches your skin tone seamlessly. Don't be afraid to mix and match shades if you need to find the perfect blend. One final tip. Keep in mind that some foundations can oxidize or darken on the skin over time. This can be especially tricky for us melanin-rich beauties. When you're testing a foundation, give it a few minutes to set and see how the color changes. If it starts to look a bit too dark or orange, opt for a shade that's a bit lighter. But before we wrap up, if you're on the hunt for the perfect foundation that caters to a wide range of shades, we've curated a selection of Black women-friendly shades on Amazon. Shop our recommended foundations via our affiliate link in the description below. And guess what? By shopping through our affiliate link, you will not only find your perfect match, but also support our channel in the process. It's a win-win, beauties, so shop now. Well, there you have it. You are now armed with the knowledge to find your perfect foundation match, no matter your skin tone or undertone. Be sure to check out our next video on top 5 makeup mistakes to avoid, do's and don'ts for beginners. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay fierce, and remember, you're a queen in your own right. Bye, beauties.